Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the BLACK+DECKER CM1110B Programmable 12-cup coffee maker, a reliable kitchen essential designed to deliver convenience, consistency, and flavor for everyday brewing. Product link is in the description below. This coffee maker combines programmable functionality, easy pour design, and durable construction in one package. The design is sleek and practical, featuring a black finish that blends seamlessly with modern kitchens. Engineered for usability, the CM1110B balances performance with convenience, offering a compact footprint that fits neatly on countertops while delivering up to 12 cups of coffee. The non-drip carafe ensures mess-free pouring, while the removable filter basket simplifies cleaning. Its streamlined design reflects BLACK+DECKER's trusted craftsmanship, making it a dependable choice for daily use. Performance is where this coffee maker shines. Equipped with programmable functionality, it allows users to set brew times in advance, ensuring fresh coffee is ready when needed. The brewing system delivers consistent flavor, while the 12-cup capacity makes it ideal for families, offices, or entertaining guests. The easy pour carafe prevents spills, while the heating plate keeps coffee warm for extended enjoyment. Together, these features create a system that enhances both convenience and taste. Usability and convenience are highlights. The intuitive controls make programming effortless, while the removable filter basket supports easy cleaning and reusable filter options. The compact design saves counter space, while the durable build ensures long-term reliability. Its combination of programmable features and user-friendly design makes it ideal for both busy mornings and relaxed weekends. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with BLACK+DECKER's design philosophy, the CM1110B blends efficiency, intelligence, and sleek aesthetics, making it a smart investment for coffee lovers. Use cases are broad. For families, it provides enough coffee for everyone. For professionals, it ensures fresh brews during busy schedules. For students, it offers reliable performance for study sessions. For lifestyle users, it delivers convenience and flavor daily. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER CM1110B Programmable coffee maker combines programmable brewing, easy pour design, and dependable performance in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.